This cage turns your BMPCC 6K Pro into a Hollywood weapon. Tilta's rig is kinda nuts. Ever feel like your camera's greatness is being strangled by weak gear? You drop serious coin on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro, expecting cinematic glory, only to be betrayed by wobbly mounts, sketchy cable connections, and accessories that jiggle like a jellyfish in a wind tunnel. You're out here fighting your setup more than focusing on your shots. You start to wonder, is it me? Am I just cursed with chaos every shoot day? Nah. You're just rolling into a war zone with no armor. And that's a recipe for frustration, failed takes, and fried motivation. Now stack that stress on top of brutal deadlines and you've got burnout stew. Ever tried rigging your BMPCC 6K Pro on a gimbal, only to realize your modular setup is as flexible as a brick? Missed a key shot because your HDMI cable popped out mid-recording? Or worse, your SSD drive slid out mid-scene like it had other plans? If you've ever muttered "never again" while wrapping cables for the 10th time, you already know the pain. Half your day goes to babying your gear instead of creating brilliance. And guess what? Your footage deserves better. So do you. Here's where the Tilta camera cage swoops in like the cinematic sidekick you didn't know you needed. Built like it came straight out of Marvel R&D, this all-black tactical beast transforms your BMPCC 6K Pro or G2 into a production-grade war machine. Cold shoe mounts, NATO rails, ARRI rosettes, SSD holders, 90-degree adapters, quick-release plates, 15mm rods, it's like Lego for camera nerds, but way sexier and way stronger. The detachable design flexes from full cage to half in seconds. You want freedom, protection, and functionality? Tilta said, bet. From buttery follow focus to clean cable management, this kit's got your back. Want to mount a monitor, mic, light, matte box, shoulder rig, or just turn heads at your next gig? You're covered. Need smooth handheld shots? That side grip feels like you're shaking hands with confidence itself. The rig works with the official battery grip and even includes a viewfinder extension because yes, they thought of everything. It's durable, modular, and feels like a tank but moves like a ninja. Want to stop wasting time on flimsy builds and start creating like a pro? This cage is your ticket. Explore more. Geek out. Build your dream rig. But here's the kicker. This Tilta advanced kit moves fast. Creators are snatching these up like free pizza at a film set. And who can blame them? Thousands have already leveled up their rigs with it, and the reviews? Time is your most valuable resource, and the right gear multiplies it. Stop struggling. Start shooting. Stop taping things together. Start building your filmmaking empire. Click that link. Grab yours now. Because cinematic magic doesn't wait, and neither should you. The next legendary shot is calling. Will you be ready to capture it, or still stuck fixing cables?